Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial, as you can see, is a quick hairstyle. It will cost you less than $15. One pack cost me like $11, and I have 20 braids in my head. And I'm just showing you what I'm eating, but it's some healthy snacks. And it was not about the video what you need, but you will need a crochet hook and all the kind of stuff I'm showing in the camera. And this brand new hair that I saw at my local beauty supply store is already separated in the pack, so one strand of hair can do a lot. I was pretty surprised, and I wanted to use like three of these for each braid, but I ended up like using two of these, two to secure my twist with the hair, and then the other one for to add volume to my hair. And I already did a similar hairstyle with another kind of hair. If you want to check it out, it will be linked in my description box. So I use the Shannon Gem just to separate my hair, so the hair is really the lines are really sharp and will be easier to get straight line. And after that I use my Dax washable, like I'm showing you. And this is my second time using it, and I'm loving it because it straightened my hair and it keeps my hair not looking like puffy, and it still, I think, moisturize my hair. It's a thick consistency, so it's great for braids, and I'm happy I found this for my hair. So you just crochet the hair in, and then you're going through your real hair, and then you take one twist, and then the other side of the fake hair, and then you make a knot with that, like I'm showing you. Then you take the two fake hair to really secure the hair down, so the twist is in the middle, or it's like secure. The fake hair is around it, and then you take another hair just to add volume to the hair. And you start twisting your hair like regular. You start twisting your hair, and what I like about this hair is that the hand of the hair is pretty curly and it's cute. That's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And this style is perfect for those who are rushed, want a quick hairstyle for the wig, till you get like your wig or something like that. So yeah, it's really easy and pretty so affordable. So don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ciao guys, see ya.
Say, baby, I love you.